Hi there, this is Cam with Judy. So we're going to do a 10-minute sitting meditation. So let's give it a go and see what happens. Welcome to this 10-minute sitting meditation. So just coming to a seated position on a chair or on a cushion on the floor. And if you're sitting on a chair, placing both feet on the floor and just having your back nice and upright in an upright position, and having that spine and that back maybe away from the support of the back of a chair so that the back is self-supported. And this allows us to feel like we're really alert and really awake here as we do this short meditation. Inviting you to close over your eyelids. And if you would prefer not to close over the eyelids, you could just soften your gaze and just have a soft gaze maybe on the floor in front of you. Maybe just noticing what your body is in contact with. So maybe the contact of the seat and the floor beneath you. Noticing the weight of your body as it moves down, as it travels down through the seat or the cushion beneath you and through the floor. And then, of course, we have these spines. This spine in the body, and it moves upwards. So just noticing this spine that is upright. And we can kind of lengthen the spine if we just tuck in our chins a little bit. And by doing this, it allows the head to feel more supported. Our intention as we sit here for these few minutes is just to develop or cultivate our awareness here by intentionally sitting here and just being with the experience of this sitting here. And doing it with an attitude of experimenting, of exploring. So just placing your awareness now on the body, on your body as it just sits here. There's the back, and we have this strong spine supporting us as we sit here. And then in contrast to this strong spine in the back, we have a kind of softness in the front of the body. And just experiencing this body as we sit here in stillness. There is so much to experience, to explore, even in this stillness. And of course, the mind is going to wander, and no need to try and fight this in any way. Just noticing And gently escorting the mind back to attend to this living, breathing body as we sit here. This practice is deeply forgiving. Really, really forgiving. So, not to worry about any of this mind wandering, because the mind will do its own thing. But just with patience and kindness, escort it back to the here and now. Whenever you notice the mind going off, doing its own thing. Inviting you to connect maybe with this belly area. You could even place a hand on your belly and just notice how it rises and falls. How it rises with an in-breath and how it falls with each out-breath. So just sitting here and being with this experience of connecting with this belly area. Not trying to change anything, just being with this living, breathing body. Experimenting, being curious here. And again, the mind wandering will keep happening. But just congratulating yourself when you notice it. This is what we call waking up. Waking up to the mind's activities. And when it happens, just escorting your mind back so that your attention can be placed on this body. And on this belly area. So keeping your attention here as best you can. Intentionally, on purpose. Knowing you are sitting here, knowing you are breathing here. In a few moments, this meditation will come to an end. But maybe taking some of this stillness with you and this present moment awareness with you, and keeping it with you for other moments in your day.